Justin O'Connor, Technical Advisor for AV Technology Magazine, and we're here at InfoComm 2017 talking to leading AV integrators and consultants about digital signage and video walls and the technology trends they've been seeing, some best practices, and what they've seen here at the show that specifically pertains to digital signage and video walls. So first day of the show, what have you seen in the realm of video walls and digital signage?
A bit of everything, OLED, LCD, but I think really what's really proliferating right now is the fine pitch LED.
LED is just bigger than ever, so much more coming down the show and a lot more options now. What we're seeing is a lot of different types of manufacturers than we used to see.
So what do you think is driving all of this to go so big in displays?
I think it's the need to have big displays. The people want to have really large displays. There are a lot of blank walls out there that could have video, and that gives you a lot more options and flexibility. And if we can do that at an economical price point, then that becomes viable for a lot more options.
I think it's a combination of people wanting bigger screens and kind of the manufacturing realities of LCD and OLED, not being able to make a screen over a certain size affordably. Yeah, and then the flexibility of LED. You can tile it, make pretty much any size you want, wrap it around things if you need to, those types of things. So I think every manufacturer is really diving into that to augment, I think, the LCD and OLED world.
What would be some best practices for doing video walls?
I think really know the application and really talk to the client and talk through what their needs are. You don't want to oversell them necessarily, and what you want to make sure they have the right solution, the right product for what they're looking to accomplish.
You got to look at what the expectations for our maintenance and plan ahead. There are expectations that need to be set with the customers, regular maintenance, be set, spares ordered, like we wouldn't necessarily do with projectors or flat panels.
What are you doing in that world? Big video walls, digital signage?
So a bit of everything. With A&C, my role is really kind of working with the factories to find solutions, fine-tune product offerings, working with our clients to come up with the best solution, the best architecture, the best integration and plan for them that really works for them. We work with multiple manufacturers and different types of video processor groups and companies to kind of accomplish that.
Well, we're looking at the technology and how they approach technology, but we're also looking at how they approach their business, how they want to do distribution, whether it's a standard distribution model or some newer distribution models. We're doing a lot more of corporate stuff, so it is replacements in the boardroom or presentation space as opposed to digital signage. That requires a lot more accuracy of content when it's a more critical viewing area, plus operation. It needs to be operating 24/7 or when they need to use it. Downtime is not an option.
Standing here in front of our crystal LED technology. It's a completely scalable direct view display system. What makes it special really is the way we've done this technology. The surface area is about 99.9% black. That's what gives us our contrast ratio of 1,000,000 to 1. Additionally, it's completely scalable, so we can make it any size, shape we want it to make. The wall itself is made up of display units. This wall behind me here has 144 display units inside of it. Those are controlled with the display controller. So one controller can do up to 72 units. The actual light elements are embedded into the cells. When they're embedded, the substrate in front of it allows the light to be dispersed, giving it a 179-degree viewing angle from left, right, top, bottom. The way we construct the actual wall is very, very precise. It's actually 0.3 microns of tolerance between each display unit. We do that by using a specialized alignment jig that we use that's got microscopic cameras that measures the distance between those. We're able to adjust the X, Y, and Z axes of the units themselves. That's what gives us the seamless display that we see behind us here. This year, what we're doing here at InfoComm is making it more of a solution. So in addition to the wall itself, we have what's called an IP communicator system that allows the wall to communicate to a different location that could be half a country away or a world away. Additionally, we have color management software that goes on top of it. We're also able to remotely monitor this wall from a preventative maintenance standpoint. If we ever to see a fan running a little bit too fast or running at a higher temperature than what we want, we're able to go out and service the wall before it would ever go down. As you can see by the crowds we've had in front of this wall, we are very, very excited about what Crystal LED brings to the marketplace. So last year we came out with two new projectors, our GTZ lineup of projectors. In addition to the 270, we have the GTZ 280. That model is built specifically for our simulation clients. We have the ability with that to send out an infrared signal to stimulate night vision applications. With our GTZ 270, we not only have true native 4K, we're not doing any sort of pixel shift going on. It also uses our SXRD chipset, which provides us with a 20,000 to 1 contrast ratio. As this migration into higher resolution continues, we are very excited about our GTZ product line.
I want to thank our participants for sharing their insights and their observations of what they've seen here at the show, and I want to thank you for watching. See you next time.